doing today? Hope you're all well. It's another video. Today we're going to make a bit of all-day breakfast, we can call this one. There's a new product from Birdseye, which are these. I'm recording this on the 26th of November 2024, and I've just put my Christmas tree up. So my Christmas tree is now up. Yes, Christmas is coming. Right, here's the waffle fries. I'll take a few out. Can't remember how much they were. We'll put the price on the bottom of the screen for you. Okay. I'm going to go straight into the air fryer, as I say. We've also going to make some bacon. This bacon's also from Tesco's, which is 10 smoked back bacon rashers. Okay, so we'll get into that as well. There should be a little thing on the side to open it, but I can never find it. So what I'll do is get the scissors again and just cut into it. There you go. Bit quite easy, doesn't it? Just cut into things. So we're going to use a few pieces of this. I think we'll have 4 pieces. There's 10 in it, isn't there? So we'll use 4. I can have that enough night for something else. Right, let's get this. Let's get the waffles into the air fryer. Right, so we'll get the bacon into the air fryer and the waffles into the air fryer. There's the bacon. I'll just wash my hands first. 2 seconds. So I've just emptied the air fryer because it was a little bit mucky, so I've just emptied that. Right, so I'll just put that in there. Like this. This will make really crispy bacon in the air fryer, by the way. It's going to go on 200 degrees. 200 degrees, yeah. Will it all fit in? It will all fit in. We'll work our way around it. There you go. Put the waffles in as well. Or the waffle fries, as they are called. Waffly versatile, it says. Waffly versatile. There you go. Stick them all in there like that. Right. I'm going to stick on. I've got enough there. I might put a couple more in actually. Yeah, let's have a couple more. Of course, should be enough now. Right, so it's going to go on to 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay, so it only takes 10 minutes, this. Where's the 10? There's the 10. Okay, so we'll get that cooking, and while we're doing that, we'll cut some mushrooms up. We'll get them cooking as well. This is probably going to be the fattest meal that we've ever done on the channel. It's alright now and then, don't have it too often. Got to stay healthy, but this is a bit of a fatty one, this one. I've got some oil in there. Not too much oil. We're using sunflower oil. No, we're not using vegetable oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You can use which oil you prefer. A bit more oil in there we go. I need an egg, so I'll just dash for an egg. There we are, we'll throw the mushrooms in. This fat's coming too hot now. 2 seconds. Just throw these in. I'm going to sizzle away, I know that. So I did the fat a bit too hot, but never mind. We'll be fine. Get these going so we can brown them. Just noticed the air fryer was smoking and I don't know why. Hope it's okay. We don't have a fire knife as well as cut our finger. We'll get these mix like that. keep them on the heat. So we have to turn that low now, because it needs to go lower. While that's cooking away there, I'll just turn the bacon over. It's smoking a little bit air fry for some reason. Don't normally do that, that's a bit worrying. As long as it doesn't set fire, we're alright. Start with me thingy-my-bug, shouldn't I do? Right. Cooking nicely. Mushrooms are cooking nicely. There we go, everything's going on at once here. This is one of those meals where you're running around making sure everything's cooking okay. Now my microwave, my air fryer's just gone ding. That means everything must be cooked. I'll just take a quick look myself. I'm actually going to put it in 5 minutes. I don't think it's quite as good as I want it to be at the moment. So I'm going to put on for another 5 minutes that. I will do the rest of this. Get my plate out so I can get everything plated up at the end of it. Mushrooms should be quite grey like that. I'll say grey, I'll put a plate there. And I'll just have to eat onto the plate. I nearly have to the fat onto the plate then, but I won't do that. So everything's cooked in time. This is yeah, it's one of those meals which is quick, but you run around all the time, getting everything perfect. Like I said, I didn't think they were done quite enough to my satisfaction, those waffles and that bacon, so I put it on for another 5 minutes. It does say 10 minutes on the packet, well, it actually says 10 to 12 minutes, so a couple more minutes won't matter, will it? Right, be enough there. Let's keep that on there so it stays warm. Right, and then we'll throw the egg in. We'll crack it open first. Get that cooking. Oh, would you like an egg? I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit on that so it cooks. I'll just check the air fryer over here, and it's yeah, it needed about 12. I'm going to say it needs 12 minutes. Them waffles. Yeah, definitely 12 minutes. Right, they're cooked now. Everything's cooked. Everything's lovely. Look at that. Them waffles look absolutely delicious. So I can get them onto the plate. Eggs cooking nicely away there. We'll get everything done on time. You can also add sausages to this if you want to, of course. Or whatever else you like. Right, let's get these onto the plate. I'll pick them with my fingers, it'll be easier. Until I burn my finger. I think it must have been smoking away because it's got bacon in it. I'm going to call this one an all-day breakfast. You can have some beans with it if you want as well. There you go, there's the bacon. Lovely, I'm going to have enough for you. Put that back in there, I'll wash it later. Now we're also going to have a piece of fried bread with it as well. So I'm going to just quickly do some fried bread. If I can find my loaf. This is how I do fried bread. Simple way of doing fried bread like this. You can make eggy fried bread and other kinds of fried bread, can't you? this is going to be the easy way of making fry bread. There you go. I'll just stick it straight into that fat there and let it cook on both sides. Put the heat up. Let it cook on both sides. Can't wait to taste it. It smells good. Smells really good. I'm going to actually drop a little bit more fat in there, I think. So just get a bit more fat in. This is going to be the fattiest tea I've had for a long time. Like I say, don't have it too often. Got to watch your heart. Right, so you do it one side, then you just do the other side. Well, this is how I do it. Anyway, just plain fried bread. Simple as. And that is what it looks like eventually. We're going to taste a waffle for you and see what it tastes like. Just make sure this fried bread's cooked first. Yeah, that'll do for me. Okay, I'll stick that on there. Doesn't that look delicious? I think that looks absolutely delicious. As I say, not very healthy, but it looks delicious. Right, let's have a taste of this waffle and see what it tastes like. So a quick taste of these waffles. Yeah. These are nice. The taste of I'm going to say the taste of potatoes. They would taste of potato, wouldn't they? Because they are potato. I'd recommend getting them, yeah. Definitely get them. That goes delicious with a meal like this, it really does. There's one thing we forgot. Tomato ketchup, we can't forget tomato ketchup. Put some ice on. There you go. Oh, definitely use your tomato ketchup. Loads of the stuff. Some people will say we've just ruined that. I like my tomato ketchup. Well, you've enjoyed it. I'll be back again soon with another one if I survive this fatty meal. But yeah, until next time, thanks for watching. Look after yourselves. Remember, fun times are always good times. And we'll be back to cook more soon. See you soon.